This is a mini inverter circuit for Wi-Fi router and the ONO. You can see here the voltage socket, the charging socket. This one is the charging socket, 12 voltage. Output 12 voltage, 12 voltage, 9 voltage, 5 voltage. 9, 12, 12, input 12. Charging voltage is 12 voltage. Here I need 12 voltage battery. Now I am going to make the voltage 3.5. This one is 3.5. This one is 3.4 or 3.5. This 3 battery can use, 4 battery, 5 battery and 6 battery. I am using this 6 battery. We need 3 battery mainly to make 12 voltage. Now I am going to make 2 battery together, 2 battery in parallel mode. It makes together 1 battery. 3 battery makes 1 battery. 2 battery need to be parallel mode. 2 battery will be parallel mode. Two battery in parallel mode. Positive, positive, negative, negative will be together. This two. This 4 makes 2 battery. And this 2 makes 1 battery. This 2 makes 1 battery. Now I have 3 battery. Now I have 3 battery. I have to make it short. Positive, positive, this positive and this positive will be together. Same way, positive, positive. Positive, positive. This one also positive, positive will be together. And now negative, negative. Negative, negative should be together. These are negative, negative should be together. Now I have 3 battery. Now I have 3 battery. This 3 battery will be in series mode. One positive, another one negative, like this way. Just watch, then you can understand. It's very easy. So now I am fixing all battery together. This power bank can work minimum 8 hours. Minimum 8 hours. It will back up minimum 8 hours. Now I have to make it series. Make it series mode. It will be 12 voltage. This is negative, here will be short. This negative and this positive will be together. Now another side. Here positive goes here and goes there. Now need to short here. Right. Look. Here it is positive and this negative will be together. Now I am going to check the voltage. It will make 12 volts. 3 battery 3.5, all are 3.5. Now 10.5. The battery has low charge, for this case it's showing 10.5 volts. This battery got 3 volts maybe now. When it will charge, its battery will be 4 volts. 3.7 to 4.2 volts. This is the positive and this is the negative. This is the negative. Now positive and negative come out from this battery. Now I'm going to connect here. Here we can see the positive and negative connector. This is the positive voltage. I am connecting the positive voltage. I am checking again. Make sure this one the negative, this one the negative, and this is the positive. Okay. It's low voltage now because 10 voltage. Negative voltage. The voltage connection ready. Now you can see here as a switch. Here this is the switch. Look, now it's working. Low voltage. It's low voltage. 25 voltage have 25%, not voltage, sorry. It's the switch wire. Look, it's working. Here need a switch. Here need a switch. Now we are going to fix using this book cabinet. This is the Wi-Fi UPS, mini Wi-Fi UPS. Now look, it's make ready. It's look like nice. It's look like wow. Just I am fixing this battery here. We cannot the battery inside. I am using the battery here. Now I am going to check the voltage. Negative and positive here at 5 voltage. 5 and here got 9 voltage. I got 12. Now 10 because it's low voltage. Charging. It's charging. Look here the LED. When it charges, it's turning on. Now the power bank is ready. Thank you for watching the video. It's very easy to make. I am fixing the covering the battery here using the tape, Scotch tape. If we have any cabinet, you also can use the cabinet. But we have no cabinet now. I am just using this tape like this way. I am using tape like this way. It's no problem. Using tape, it's not problem. You also can use tape. Now it's fully covered. Thank you for watching the video. Please check the comment link. There are the lots of circuit diagram. Thank you.